Hello, and welcome to this lesson on what is an operating system. Simply put, an operating system is the most important software that runs on the computer. It is responsible for managing all the other software and hardware that is installed on the computer, as well as the distribution of computer resources like RAM and processing power. There are different types of operating systems as well as versions. The most popular are Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. This tutorial was done on a Windows 10 machine. Windows operating systems come in two different architectures, 32-bit or x86 or 64-bit, which is x64. The difference between the two is that 32-bit only allows the utilization of up to 4 GB of RAM, and 64-bit allows the operating system to utilize more than 4 GB of RAM. To know what operating system you're running and the type of architecture that you have, you can click the Start button or press Windows key and S and type in the word info. You will see system information appear in the search. In System Summary, you will see the OS name. And then if we look under System Type, this tells us that I am running a 32-bit machine. x86 means 32-bit and x64 means 64-bit. Well, that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.